some, please.
Hey,
By your toe.
you did. Send it my way.
Gary says that. It's gonna be a punk. 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 Who's a punk? You are a punk.
Give me a sock or something.
Oh, wait, yeah, Monique, you need to go get your team clothes. Oh my God! Junior, go get kick him in the face.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Again? Bless you. Bless you.
Did I really?
Bless you. He's like, thanks, guys. Bless you. Here, look at the camera.
Like me.
Look at the camera.
Stop that.
It's okay, Bobby. Cinnamon.
It's clean pee clothes.
Cinnamon.
Oh, you took it in your car.
Wait, just go get it.
That's my fault. You should have took it out. That's right.
I told you to take out my backpack. You let my pee clothes in.
You go take it out. I just sat down.
Hey.
Junior, I need to watch it.
Okay, I'm filming him. Ow, okay.